Hello everyone, and welcome to this training video. In this session, we will learn how to set up a storekeeper profile. When a user is assigned the role of a storekeeper, they are allocated specific storage areas. The storekeeper has permission to store, receive, and issue only the items designated for their assigned storage area. While creating items in the item management application, we also select a storage area for each item. These storage areas have already been added to the drop-down list. When adding an item, all available warehouses appear in the storage area field, allowing us to select the appropriate one. This selected storage area must then be assigned to a storekeeper. To grant a user access to specific storage areas, we need to create a storekeeper profile. This is done by opening the storekeeper profile application, where all existing users are automatically listed. We select a user, choose a storage area from the drop-down list, and click the Add button. To verify the assignment, we can reopen the user's profile and confirm that the storage area has been successfully linked. A single storekeeper can be assigned multiple storage areas by following the same process: selecting the user, choosing a storage area, and clicking Add. Each assigned storage area will reflect in the user's profile, allowing the storekeeper to receive, store, view, and issue items within those areas. For this demonstration, we have assigned the application manager as a storekeeper and logged in using their credentials. Now, let's explore what tasks this storekeeper can perform. We'll consider a scenario where a user has made a cash purchase. Users can only purchase items listed in their item list. A record of this cash purchase has already been created in the incoming stock application by clicking the Add button. Now, we will edit this record to review its details. The reason for purchase is selected as Cash Purchase from the drop-down, while the date is automatically populated based on the record's creation date. The transaction type is set to Normal, and the receipt type is chosen as Ad hoc Receipt. If available, we can enter a reference number and date. The supplier's name is recorded under Person or Reference Name, and the Material Received By field displays the logged-in user. Here, the application manager. To determine the total quantity purchased via cash, we can analyze the data using analytics tools. After saving this entry, we will proceed to add items. Since the logged-in user has access to 3 storage areas, all items within these areas will be displayed in the item drop-down list. If no storage area had been assigned, no items would appear in the list. We then select the purchased items, specify the received quantity, and save them. This process continues until all purchased items are added to the incoming stock. This method allows direct addition of materials to stock without running a purchase order cycle. Next, we will verify whether these items have been updated in the stock. To do this, we navigate to the Stock Status Analytics application, select Analytics in the Type section, and open the Stock Status Analytics page. We select RM Store means Raw Material Store in the Storage Area field, as all purchased items fall under this category, and then populate the data. All added items now appear with their respective quantities, except for one item, 12mm mild steel round bar, that was purchased but not added to the incoming stock. To correct this, we return to the incoming stock application, add the missing item, and save the entry. In incoming stock, multiple cash purchases made on the same day can be recorded within a single receipt. It is not necessary to create separate receipts for each item or each purchase. However, for purchases made on different days, a new receipt must be created for each day, and items can be added accordingly. That's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.